In this video, I'm going to show you how to do background research using the library database Gale Health and Medicine. To review, as we do our background research, we are looking to narrow down our starting topic to a well-defined population or problem, as well as find a potential intervention, comparison, and outcome. Remember, depending on your topic, it may not be necessary to define each one of those PICO elements. To get started, click on the Gale Health and Medicine database from the Canvas module. You can also access this database from the SEC Library database page. To start, I'm going to type my healthy people topic into the search box, and I'm focusing on older adults. And of course, I'm using quotations around that phrase to be a little bit more exact. I'm going to click the magnifying glass to take a look at my results. And in this database, there are lots of different types of sources: academic journals, magazines, books, news. I'm going to focus just on the results from books because most likely that's going to get me the general type of background information that I need in order to identify the elements of my PICO. So I'm going to start by just scanning the results to see what type of information I'm going to get. Remember, my purpose here is to narrow down my broad topic. And so just from looking at the results, I'm getting ideas for how I can do that. I could focus on depression, exercise, pain management. All of these could be my population or problem in my PICO, depending on what I want to focus on, because all of these are much more specific than just my broad topic of older adults. So as you can see, there are quite a few options that I could choose from. And here's some more. I do have an idea of what I want my specific problem to be, and that is falls in older adults. And so I see there is an entry here for that topic. So I think I'm going to give this one a try. This one is from 2019, which is still current within the last 3 years, which is good information for me. I'm going to click on that to get some more information on this topic. Once you've chosen a specific population or problem, you want to identify potential interventions. And it's important that you first narrow down to your specific problem so that the intervention you select will match that. So in this result, I'm hoping to get some ideas for interventions related to fall prevention or falls in older adults. So I see here that exercise is mentioned, and specifically water aerobics, walking, or Tai Chi. So those are all possible interventions that I could use. Ultimately, I want to choose just one of those, but I could also use these as a comparison. So for example, I could compare the intervention of water aerobics to Tai Chi, and the outcome that I would be looking for is which one of those is more effective in reducing falls. So I am able to identify some interventions and possibly comparisons if I want to have a comparison, and I'm starting to formulate my PICO with an outcome. And although I'm not getting a lot of really in-depth information from this article, I am able to start formulating my PICO, which is really what I need to get out of my background research. The in-depth information and research will come later. Right now, I'm really just interested in identifying all of those PICO elements so that I can really start to have a good understanding and direction for my PICO research. So just a few little handy research tips. There is a citation for this article if I want to cite it. And of course, my disclaimer about all database citations is that please double check these before you submit your assignment. It's possible that these database citations could have minor errors. You can also email this particular article, download it, print it out, or get a permalink. So please, if you have any questions as you're doing your research, email me, use our 24/7 Ask a Librarian chat service. I'm more than happy to help. Thanks for watching.